Hello everyone, welcome to this session today. I am Sonia, the director of Boon English Hub, and I've been training English since last 17 years. And I'm sure you're going to love this session today, as in this session I'm going to share some interesting tips which will make you learn English faster. And I'm quite sure you people are aware with the fact whether you want to get a career growth or you want to talk to the people around you, or you want to search your Mr. Right or Miss Right. You've got to be knowing one skill, that is English speaking skills. But there are many people who are mistaken about fluency. Yes, do you really want to be a fluent speaker? But first I want to acknowledge you, fluency does not mean speaking faster or at a high pace. It has really got nothing to do with fast speed. Fluency means speaking correct English with the right choice of words, good body posture, and definitely with right pronunciation. There are many people who have conception regarding fluency. So now you're clear with the fact. So I want to ask you that have you ever noticed anybody speaking in their original language? What do they do to speak their original language? If you same thing, if you do with your spoken English, with your English language, it will just be a child play for you to speak in English. So what is that? I believe when the people speak in their mother tongue or their original language, they don't think first in that language. They actually listen to it very carefully and then start repeating, first at a slower pace and then faster, and then whosoever they meet around, they use the same expressions. So the same pattern you have got to follow once it comes to learn English. But when people want to learn spoken English, they do a lot of unfair things with them, because the people around you might suggest you pep up your grammar. Yes, the more grammar knowledge you have, the more good speaker you can be. But I've seen people around who have very good acknowledgement with the grammar. They fail to speak in English. And some people might suggest you have good power on your vocabulary, then you would be able to speak in English. But my dear friend, you need to aware, because I've seen people who have 8,000 words, still they cannot speak in English, but the people who have just 2,000 words also can speak very good English. So this sounds quite confusing. No, I'll not leave you in the confusion. I'm going to tell you, you need to just follow one pattern. And trust me, if you follow this one pattern, you yourself, yes, you yourself cannot stop yourself speaking in English. So what is that first and last step? That is your English attitude. But the question is how to develop that English behavior, how to develop that English attitude. For this, you have to again go back. Once you start learning your original language or your mother tongue, what do? First you listen to the person and then you start speaking. Children are keen observer. If they see their parents quarreling, they tend to quarrel. So in the same way, you have to listen to the things very carefully. So what you will do, listen, word has come from the word silent. Yes, you try to understand it. So very silently start listening to the people carefully, whosoever are speaking around you English, wherever, on television or just before you, or you find two people are talking to each other, then do repeat immediately. First at a slower pace, then second faster, more faster. Then it becomes your habit to speak in English and it starts becoming your behavior. Second thing, what I want to suggest you to make your English attitude, that is talk to yourself in English. Yes, who do you spend your most of the time in a day? That is you only. So talk to yourself in English. What do? Okay, right now I'm sitting in the bus, suppose, then I'm looking outside of the window and I believe I will talk to myself, oh, the scene is quite pleasant outside, and I can make the sentence, I am sitting near window, and I can say the children outside are playing. So these small sentences, first you start talking to yourself, it will definitely make your attitude in English. And if you're working in the kitchen, if you're a lady or chopping the onion, why don't you say, at the time of chopping onion, you can say, right now I'm chopping onion. So that will also make your habit to speak in English. Even if you're walking on the road, you can talk to yourself, hey, this man is not putting on the helmet but driving bike. And we should not use the word drive. Yes, riding bike. For two-wheelers, because we sit with the cross leg, so we ride that vehicle. And four-wheeler, when your legs are near, then you drive that vehicle. Then the next pattern to make your attitude in English, I believe you can dial the number of customer care. Yes, I did this when I was not that fluent. Yes, long back. I remember when I was in 8th class and English as in my passion. So what I used to do, I used to dial the number of customer care and I used to talk to them in English. So the same thing you can do for yourself, because we people are working in service industry, so they will not haggle upon you. They'll not shout at you and they'll answer. If you speak wrong also, they'll not demotivate you and discourage you. They'll try to figure it out what you speak and would talk in English with you. So that will again make you practice in English, and practicing English can develop your English attitude. And the last tip for today I want to give you, that is mirror technique. Yes, mirror technique is the most powerful technique. Like you should choose some object. Today I want to speak on the topic watch, and I'll speak 15 lines and I sit in front of mirror and I start talking to myself. So once you develop your confidence with yourself, for sure you're going to represent outside also. So you can take any object, that bottle, cap, and then make it a habit to use. Like once you have heard, this is not bottle, we say bottle in Hindi, na? Bottle, yes, but in English you say bottle. If you know कि इस bottle के ढक्कन को हम cap बोलते हैं, तो once you know, make it a habit. Means it should be in your attitude that now I will, whenever I talk about bottle का ढक्कन, I will say cap. Means अगर मुझे किसी से bottle का ढक्कन मांगना है, तो I will say give me a cap. And slowly and gradually it will become your habit. Yes. Means in Hindi you believe ना कि हिंदी तो हमारे blood में है, so we speak in Hindi. In the same way, English will inject in your blood. Means once your attitude is in English, you would feel automatically English and you can actually speak. So in this way, for sure, you're not going to stop yourself also to speak in English. And see you in the next video. If you really want such videos, I should be bringing to make you more clear. And for English tips, do subscribe the channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. Bye-bye.